In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image from your computer into Google Docs. This is a simple process, but it can add a lot of value to your document, making it visually appealing and interactive. Having a clear understanding of these steps means you can confidently customize your document, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up the Google Docs document where you plan to insert your image. Once you have your document open, look at the top of the page and you'll see the menu bar. From this menu bar, click on Insert. The Insert option is your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your document, from tables to drawings and, of course, images. By clicking on it, you open up a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu that appears, you need to click on Image. Google Docs offers multiple ways to incorporate images into your document, and the Image option opens up these possibilities. You'll find that by clicking on Image, you can choose where the uploaded image comes from, such as directly from Google Drive, via a URL, or through a photo on your device. For our purposes today, we'll focus on uploading an image directly from your computer. So, in the Image drop-down menu, you'll see the option Upload from Computer. Go ahead and select this. Choosing to upload from your computer will bring up a file window specific to your operating system, whether it be Windows, Mac OS, or another. This window allows you to browse through your device and select the exact image you want to include in your document. Now, you can navigate through your computer files until you find the image you want. Once you locate your desired image, click on it to select it, and then hit Open. This step uploads your chosen image from your computer directly into your Google Docs document. You'll notice that the image appears at the location where your cursor was positioned within the document. Once inserted, you may want to adjust the positioning of your image for better alignment. Click on the image to bring up a toolbar beneath it. This toolbar provides options for resizing, aligning, or even wrapping text around the image. Play around with these until your image fits seamlessly into your document structure. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your Google Docs with images from your computer. The ability to insert and manage images means you can create more engaging and informative documents. Whether you're preparing a presentation, report, or any kind of project, images can help convey your message more vividly. Thanks for following along, and happy editing!